Snail is one of the most widely consumed white meat across the world. It comes in different delicacies and is served across different people, different cultural backgrounds. And this is not far-fetched because of its numerous health benefits. Snails naturally occur in the wild, in forest land and wetlands. However, with increasing human activity of deforestation, this has greatly reduced. Nigeria's population is growing at an alarming rate, with the population put at over 160 million as at the year 2015 and is expected to reach almost 400 million by the year 2045. These are good indicator that in the nearest future there will be more demand for snail and snail products. Different ways of rearing snails. There are two intensive systems. Based on these, there are several ways of constructing snail pen. We have the arch, box or wooden snail cage, which mixes of wooden cages made of nets and wire net and houses for keeping snails. Then we have the trench snail house, where you use different modes of blocks to construct snail pens. Then we have the free range, where the animals are kept in the garden. We will take us through an establishment process of a free range snail farming system. Yes, this is an ongoing snail farm. We've been through different stages of planting. Plantings are yam, plantain, and here we are transplanting the pawpaw seedlings, the hybrid pawpaw seedlings. We're also planting the potato, the vegetables, the amaranthus, the coconuts, all within this field where we are establishing a snail farm. Okay. In establishing a snail farm of this type, it is very paramount we know that what we want to achieve is to have a natural habitat where the snails will enjoy themselves like they were in the wild. Prepare the soil to the best of your ability to make them more usable for your planting purposes. After thorough seedbed preparation, plant different vegetables such as amaranthus, oiwedu. Yes, so we are through with the planting of the vegetables. The seeds, we have the coconuts, oiwedu, the amaranthus, veggies, and then the green. Planted them, and then we start wetting because this is about the time when you have dry season. So we start wetting, and when they are fully established in the snail farm, some is done. Now this is the wire net. The reason we are putting this wire net is to prevent the snails from escaping and keep them within the plots where we want them to be. So this serves as a barrier, prevent them from running, as from wandering around everywhere, and keep them where we want them to be. The wire net, apart from preventing the snails from escaping from the plots, also serve as barrier against predators that can attack the snail's egg and the young snails. Predators such as frog, lizard, toads, field mite, rats and snakes. Now, not only that, you can observe from the perimeter, the fencing of the plot, that all the holes have been well secured to prevent lizard and all these reptiles from residing on the farm and gaining access to your field. These are precautions, and these are one of the reasons why rearing snails in a natural habitat like this becomes very, very difficult to manage. Apart from this, the free range system provides a very good platform for the snails to have a feel of the wild, which they were used to in the first place. And this is an advantage over other forms of rearing the animal, as they are free to move about within a confined environment, eat from diverse sources of food, and they are well protected from predators. If well managed, snail rearing under this system is always more effective and more profitable compared to other sources. This farm is almost ready. As you can see from here, we only needed to wait for the field establishment to be completed. There and then we can now introduce the snails. Watch out for the concluding part of this video, where we will be talking about how to manage the snails, maintain the farm, and become more profitable. You can as well call us for similar setup service. If you like our content, like our videos and subscribe to our channel here. Also put on your notification so you won't miss any update for us. You can as well check out amazing videos we have for you and share with your friends. Drop your comment at the comment section. We would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching.